On this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your iPhone home screen layout. With the latest iOS update, you can now add widgets, change your wallpaper, and organize your apps. So let's get started. Step 1. Choose a wallpaper. The first thing you want to do is choose a new paper for your home screen. You can do this by going to Settings and then select Wallpaper. After that, on this you can choose a new wallpaper. You can either select one of pre-installed option or you can use one of your own photo. On the newer version, you also can tap and hold the home screen. It will automatically show the option for the pre-installed wallpaper that's available on your iPhone. Just choose the wallpaper that you want to use and then you done it. Step 2. Add widget. Now let's add some widget to your home screen. To do this, long press on your home screen until the apps start to jiggling. Then tap the plus sign in the upper left corner and select a widget from the gallery. You can choose the widget format. Then after that, tap on Add Widget. Step 3. Rearrange Apps. Once you have your widget in place, it's time to rearrange your apps. You can do this by long pressing on an app icon and then dragging it to a new location on the home screen. But before that, on the iPhone, we can hide or unhide the home screen. How to do this? Just tap on your screen, long press and tap on this button. You can hide or unhide by tap on the group of your home screen, checklist, the checklist one. Until then, you tap done. The selected home screen is already appear on your iPhone. Now you can rearrange your apps. You can do this by long pressing on the icon apps and then dragging it to a new location on the home screen. For example, on the YouTube, tap and I drag it. Or maybe I can move to the next home screen, like this one. You can also create apps folder by dragging one app on top of another. For example, I'm going to create a new folder consist of YouTube and InShot. How to do this? For example, I'm looking for InShot apps. Here, I just drag the YouTube icon on the top of InShot application here, and then I release it. It automatically create a new folder. You can rename by tap on the name bar. You can rename your folder. For example, I'm using is video. Then I tap done. You just create a new folder named video consists of YouTube and InShot application in it. Step 4. Customize app icon. If you want to take your customization to the next level, you can customize your app's icon. There are many apps available on the App Store that allow you to do this. Simply download one of these apps. For example, we open the App Store here, and then I'm already using one widget. You can use a third-party application here. I tap on this. You can download it. Just simply download one of these apps. After that, after you download the application, you can open it and then you can Choose an app icon and then replace the original icon with the new one. You can also choose the theme for your home screen. And that's it. You now have a customized iPhone home screen layout that's uniquely yours. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and bye!